Back to the channel Opinions Matter, and we got Tech 5 out here today. We are going to test out some backpack mounts on the Osmo Pocket, and we are going to see how this Osmo Pocket backpack mount actually works. So before we jump in, unfortunately I would not be able to do this whole demo without the help of Tech 5, only for the reason is that somebody need to show you the shots and how the setup is. So I'm going to be behind the camera today, and Anton from Tech 5, he's going to be in front of the camera demonstrating you like how you're going to do this. So it's going to be a joint venture way that we can show you how you can use this Osmo Pocket in creative ways. So let's begin.
Alright guys, so right here I got the wireless module for the Osmo Pocket, the official DJI one, as well as the accessory to mount the Osmo Pocket. Now right here, if you guys could see closely, I have the backpack mount by Polar Pro and a cable going down to my pocket, and I have a power bank right over here. So this whole setup is pretty much a need if you're traveling and you wanna record with your Osmo Pocket wireless. Alright guys, so since I'm using the wireless module, I could actually see what I'm recording and when I'm recording it, as well as move the camera around. A few reasons why you would want this setup is, let's say you're traveling and you just don't want to carry the Osmo Pocket the whole time. And the good thing is with the wireless module, you could move the camera. So let's say I want to record something on the right, but I still, walking straight. I could move it, and now I'm recording, well, I'm recording my mouth. That's not good. So right here, let's move to this side, and that's where opinion matters. That's our setup right there. And let's say I want to move back up and record, let's say, a sunset or something. You could. So it gives you a free ability to use your Osmo Pocket without carrying it. And now let's say I want to use my DSLR to take a cool shot, and I don't want to use my Osmo Pocket, but I still want to record it. I have my hands free to grab my DSLR, for example, and now I'm using my DSLR.
See, that is the reason this whole setup is all about, so that you guys can get the like a kind of a dual picture of and try to understand how this camera backpack setup actually will help you. The good thing about the Osmo Pocket is that it can track and stuff like that, but the thing is that I personally think there is some sort of limitations to that Osmo Pocket.
Everyone travels usually have DSLR camera, and then they have a little action camera. Well, my action camera is the Osmo Pocket, and I want to record stuff on Osmo Pocket. Let's say I want to record a time lapse of me moving around, and I have a DSLR. This gives you room and freedom to do so. And if you guys actually look to the right, there's a squirrel standing on 2 feet right there, which is very interesting, just chilling there in the grass. And yeah, so you see the Osmo Pocket is recording that, and then I have a DSLR. So that's pretty much the why you would want this setup, and it's very easy. The power bank is recharging my Osmo Pocket the whole time, so I'm not running out of battery, and this power bank is 20,000 milliamps. That could power this Osmo Pocket. It's 675 milliamps, so 20 times.
Going to be the setup that we used for the Osmo Pocket to mount it to our backpack. So at first we used the DJI Osmo Pocket with this pocket wireless module. If you're buying the expansion kit actually includes this one, this GoPro kind of a mount, and for this test actually we are using Polar Pro strap-on mount to your backpack. Now this idea of connecting everything with some other like L brackets and everything was given to me by one of my subscribers in the channel. His name is Prasant J, and Prasant J actually gave this idea to do the backpack mount. He also had given some other ideas to use a dual USB kind of a L bracket, but unfortunately some of the stuff didn't arrive on the mail. But this is what we ended up to. If you like this presentation, give a big thumbs up. Do press that notification button, and so that you get updated of all the latest news that's coming up on this Osmo Pocket. Yep, see you again on another episode. Take care.